name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. The topic that were discussed on 20th July were problems with the digestive system. Well, a human body may face a lot of digestive problems, but we are just confining to three of the most common digestive problem. The one is indigestion, which you call as badhazmi in Urdu. Indigestion is just simply an upset stomach. It is a general term that describes discomfort in your upper abdomen. It's not a disease, but it's a symptom. You experience abdominal pain and a feeling of fullness soon after you eating. So let's see the signs. Signs in if you're talking in a medical term, so we call signs as symptoms. So symptoms of this indigestion is you will feel full before you start a meal, and if after a meal you will feel uncomfortable. You have a pain in your upper abdomen. You have a burning sensation in your abdomen. This this might cause the nausea. Nausea is known as the matli, the sensation before vomiting. So you if you have this indigestion, you might have heartburn. Now, what is heartburn? Heartburn and indigestion are two separate conditions, but the symptom of the indigestion is heartburn. Heartburn is a pain or a burning feeling in the center of your chest that may radiate in your neck or back during or after eating. So these were the symptoms of it. The common causes of the indigestion is overeating or eating too quickly, fatty, greasy or spicy food, use of carbonated beverages, and antibiotics. So if you are taking antibiotics, there are chance of giving you indigestion. Well, in case if you take antibiotics, so there will be side effects. So one of the side effects might be indigestion. The second one is the diarrhea, or in a normal language or in the common man language you just call it the loose motion. So it is characterized by loose watery stools or a frequent need to have a bowel movement. With the symptoms of the diarrhea is the abdominal pain, same as indigestion. Nausea, same as indigestion. Fever, that's a new thing. And dehydration. Well, dehydration is the lose if you lose water from your body, you'll face dehydration. That is the reduction in the level of water in your body. And if you have dehydration, the following might just be the signs that will give you the idea. If you have the dehydration, you will feel a headache, you will have increased thirst or a dry mouth. So these were the signs of the dehydration. What are the causes of this diarrhea? Food allergy or the infection in your intestine, these might be the cause of diarrhea. So if you have a diarrhea, you should drink a lot of water, and you should take these supplements like ORS. This is oral rehydrated salt, which will help you balance the minerals that you have lost during this watery stool. So that was the second. And the third one is the constipation, which in normal language you will just call it cubs. In constipation occurs when bowel movement become less frequent, stool becomes difficult to pass. Actually, stools become very hardened, and we talked about that when we were talking about the fibers, that if you eat less fiber in your diet, that you'll ultimately face constipation. We talked about that. What in this, your stools are very dry and hard. The movement of bowel is very painful, and stools are difficult to pass. You have a feeling that you have not fully emptied your bowel. There is an unsatisfactory feel after the movement of bowels. So it is very common in older ages, and if you are taking medications of some sort. And the causes of this constipation is if you're eating low fiber in your diet, you're not drinking enough water, you're not going for enough exercise, or if you are if you're having an antibiotic, that's the cause of most of this in diarrhea and constipation and indigestion. And there might be a problem of hormones as well. So what are the symptoms? The symptoms is your stools are very hard. It will be painful when you're doing a bowel movement. You will also have a stomach ache. Of course, all the symptom that is common in all three of them was the stomach ache. And the symptoms that were uncommon in case of this indigestion, a person was having a heartburn. In case of the diarrhea, the person was having the dehydration. In case of constipation, the person was having the unsatisfactory sensation after the bowel movement or the hardened stools. So this is it. This is the end of this chapter. Allah